Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to change your IP address on your Windows 11 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to go to your start menu or search menu and type over there ncpa.cpl. So don't worry with that, I will give you this command to my video description. After that, press enter from your keyboard or click on this ncpa.cpl. Now here you will get a network connection window. Now right click on Ethernet and go to properties. Now double click on IPv4 address if you are using IPv4, and if you are using IPv6 then you have to click on over there. So in my case I am using IPv4 address, so I will put my IP address over there 192.168. Here the subnet marks and again the gateway, and here I will use Google DNS over there. And now click on OK. When click on OK, now you're done. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.